Hi everyone. Hopefully everybody's doing well and everyone's staying isolated and healthy. Hopefully you're getting out and getting some fresh air, having plenty to eat and getting plenty of sleep so that um, if you do get sick, you can handle it. The reason I'm making this video today is to kind of outline things that I've already talked about, but just give you a basic intro to what distance learning is going to look like, and hopefully lay out some things that are coming. For the most part, what we talked about before you left is exactly what's going to take place. Every couple of days, I'm going to push out material. For you guys, that means that I'm going to film myself teaching, going through example problems, and probably some homework problems, and then I'm going to give you homework to work on. I'm going to try to do the lessons in chunks. Some lessons won't require chunks, some will. So some of the lessons you're just going to have a day of video, and then you'll go in and do homework problems. Some of the lessons you'll have multiple days of video, so you'll do multiple homework assignments just in parts for them. So far, I'm working on a 2-week chunk of time, which should take us basically through the end of the current chapter that we're working on. I'm going to try to keep homework small so that it's not out of control, no more than 8 to 10 problems at a time. And I'm going to try to make myself available so that I can help. Right now, I've been playing around a lot with Zoom, which is a conference app that was pushed out to all the younger students on their iPads, but you can just log into it on your laptops. Just type in Zoom in Google and you'll be able to pop in there. When I do open it up, I'll create conference calls and you'll just join my conference calls. I'll give you the number to join up. I'm going to have designated times for anyone to come in and do homework. But if it gets to the point where you guys think you would really like to all get together and work on homework together as a group, I can set that up too, so that you have a designated half hour or hour a couple times a week that we can conference call together. I can use the little whiteboard feature to actually write out problems for you so you can see them step by step, start to finish. But also, we can just have you writing out problems, taking pictures of them. You have the whiteboard feature so that you could type things out or write things out if you wanted to on your end. And any of that will work. And we'll figure it out. You can also email me with any questions that you have, or use our Google document to talk to me back and forth so that you have the opportunity to communicate, because I want to make sure that everybody's feeling good about this. We have to be flexible moving forward. This is something that has never happened before and will probably never happen again, so it's just something that is a work in progress. And you know, everybody's trying to figure it out all at the same time. I'm going to post the assignment slots on Schoology for you to drop them off for me. So just take pictures of them, drop them off in the assignment slots. Like I said before, you can take pictures of them and throw them at our Google document if that's the way you want to do it, or you could take pictures of them and email them to me. If that's your preferred method of getting homework to me, that would be fine as well. I'm going to have due dates on all the homework assignments, but I'll take anything late for full credit. I just want to be able to see that you're getting work done and that you're communicating with me in some way, and that's the only thing that really matters right now. We don't have a ton of material to get through for the rest of the year like we've talked about already, so hopefully we can continue to touch base and we'll get through this together. And as things change, I'll let you know. I'll post new videos that are informational like this. When there are major changes or anything radical happens with our scheduling or anything like that. And I'll continue to, talk to you over our Google document. I opened a discussion thread on Schoology, if anyone would like to, talk to me or ask questions out there. And, you can email me always. And I'll answer them on evenings and weekends, and just like I always do. I will ask you, if we're gonna conference call, or if you're gonna send me any pictures or things like that, please do so from non-private areas of your house. Please conference call me from your living room, dining room, kitchen, family room, etc. And not your bedrooms or the bathroom or anything like that, where more private spaces in your house are. I prefer to be in more public spaces of your house, even though I'm teaching you from a distance. Most of my instruction will come from my classroom, hopefully, unless they tell me I can't come into my classroom anymore, which is possible. And then it'll come out of my basement, probably from my second family room. But I'll have to be flexible, just like you have to be flexible, and we'll figure things out. I hope you're all doing really well, and again, if you need anything, if anything isn't working, if these links aren't working, if the videos aren't working, if the assignment drop boxes aren't working, if you've been talking to me on my Google document and I've missed it, email me, contact me somehow. Reach out to me, reach out to the school if your internet's not working or you're having problems doing anything, because I need to be able to contact you and continue making education work somehow. So just make sure that you're communicating with me all the problems that you're having, so that we can get them taken care of. And for every problem there's a dozen solutions, and we'll figure things out. And we'll make it through this time together, no matter what happens. So hopefully I'll see you back in this room soon, but if not, we'll find a way to continue to communicate and make school work.